Meta has just launched MovieGen, a groundbreaking tool in the world of media AI. Whether you're dreaming of Hollywood or creating for your own audience, this tool is here to help everyone bring their visions to life. With MovieGen, you can create videos, images, and even audio using simple text prompts. Today, we'll show you just how powerful and accessible this technology is. MovieGen marks Meta's third wave of generative AI, after the innovative Make-A-Scene models for creating images and animations, and the Llama Image Foundation models, which elevated image and video quality. Now, MovieGen combines all these capabilities and gives users fine-grained control in ways never before possible. Behind the curtain, MovieGen operates as a sophisticated suite of models designed for immersive storytelling. With 4 key capabilities: video generation, personalized video creation, precise editing, and audio generation, MovieGen has been trained on a blend of licensed and publicly available datasets. Each capability is optimized for high fidelity and ease of use, offering creators powerful tools to bring their ideas to life. Starting with its core function, video generation, MovieGen uses a 30 billion parameter transformer model that can create videos up to 16 seconds long at a smooth 16 frames per second, capturing details like object motion, interactions, and camera movement. This model brings a new level of realism and creative control, making it the industry's most advanced option for text-to-video generation. Personalization takes things to another level. MovieGen lets you combine a text prompt with your own image to generate a video featuring you or someone you choose, with remarkable attention to identity and movement. This state-of-the-art model makes it easy for anyone to create realistic and personalized video content. MovieGen isn't just for creating from scratch. It's also a precise editing tool. Using text prompts, you can refine existing videos, whether by making global changes like adjusting the background or applying focused edits such as adding, removing, or changing specific elements. Unlike other editing tools, MovieGen keeps the original look and feel of the video intact, precisely targeting only the specified pixels. The experience wouldn't be complete without sound. MovieGen's 13 billion parameter audio model can generate up to 45 seconds of high-fidelity audio based on video content or text prompts. From ambient sounds and sound effects to instrumental tracks, this model aligns perfectly with the video, creating a fully immersive experience. And with its audio extension technique, MovieGen can keep the audio coherent even for videos of arbitrary lengths. Meta has partnered with leading storytellers, including Blumhouse Studios, giving selected filmmakers access to MovieGen to experiment and create. This collaboration allowed directors like Anish Chaganty to explore what's possible with AI. In a standout video titled I H8 AI, he delves into the dynamic between art and AI, demonstrating MovieGen's transformative potential. Meta is committed to refining MovieGen alongside the creative community, ensuring it complements the artistry of creators and filmmakers without replacing it. Future updates will allow for even faster processing and greater quality, making it easier for anyone to animate personal stories, enhance videos, and realize creative dreams. Imagine creating an eye-catching story on social media, all through text prompts. With MovieGen, the possibilities are endless. Meta's MovieGen is setting new standards for immersive, AI-powered creativity. If you found this video interesting, like and subscribe for more such updates on AI innovations.